Jaipur, a city famous for its historical monuments and forts, is a very famous tourist destination of India. But very few people actually know that Jaipur has one of the best leopard reserve of the country, nestled in the lap of Aravalli mountain range, the Jhalana Leopard Reserve. Jhalana is open throughout the year, unlike other national parks or tiger reserves. Hence, during monsoon, a lot of wildlife lovers choose to visit this place. They say, unless you sleep during the safari, you are most likely to sight a leopard here. Aravalli turns lush green during the monsoon, and we sighted a beautiful Indian Pitha during our safari, which gave me a beautiful frame. We also saw a mother nilgai nursing its small calf. A beautiful male peafowl was trying its best to find a mate. The peacock most certainly has one of the most beautiful courtship display among all avian species. Rana is the name of the alpha male of Jhalana, and recently he made a kill. We scanned the kill, but he was not there. But we were very sure that he would be lurking somewhere closer only. As we started climbing the mountainous tracks, we found a juvenile white-eyed buzzard perched. After filming the buzzard, we started exploring again. We saw a lot of grey francolins, probably the most common bird of Jhalana. And then suddenly, without any alarm calls or any prior clues, we came face to face with the king of Jhalana. Though it was a very short encounter, I managed to click few shots of him while Brati filmed him with her phone. And I must say, the orange leopard in green backdrop was something I was craving for a long time. And with that brief sighting, we concluded the safari. The next day morning, we decided to check the kill and then directly went there. On the way, I found a spotted owlet. The early morning sunlight was piercing through the dense foliage, and I had the opportunity to compose a beautiful frame. Soon, we noticed just above the kill, the grey langurs were getting restless and started making alarm calls. We understood that they had already seen Rana approaching the kill. Every single jeep had stopped with anticipation, and soon Rana revealed himself and blessing everyone with an amazing sight of him enjoying his breakfast. A rare moment was in front of us. I'll simply let you witness the sight and not say anything further. After finishing the kill, Rana gracefully walked in front of our jeep and we concluded our Jhalana trip. If you have enjoyed this video, I'll request you to please subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye.